Alexa, what's the temperature in Onstead, Michigan?
Right now, in Onstead, Michigan, it's minus 11 degrees. Today, expect a high of minus 7 degrees.
Alexa, what's minus 11 Fahrenheit in Celsius?
Minus 11 degrees Fahrenheit is minus 23.9 degrees Celsius.
Okay, here is some breakfast cooking, and here is a big pot of boiling water. And Ben and I are going to do a little trick where we go out on the balcony because it's super cold, and we throw some of this boiling water up into the air, and we'll see what happens.
Perfect. We did get some water drops down there, but most of it did evaporate.
I swear that it freezes before it hits the
I
bottom.
think it does, because look at that.
Turns like into like little flakes of snow and such. Alright, I gotta do one more just to be sure, right?
Yep.
Oh! Wow. It does.
That's great. Yeah.
Powder. You can see it.
Whoa, did you hear it?
Oh, look at that. That is cool.
It's just like instantly freezing.
Yeah.
Did you get a little on you?
Just a bit.
Did it burn you?
No, it felt warm.
Yeah.
That's fun though.
Yeah.
Snow and steam instantly.